submit documents to Discord for account approval, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your submission is successful. Make sure you have all necessary documents ready before you begin. Step 1. Prepare your documents. Gather the required documents that Discord needs for account verification. This may include identification such as a government-issued ID, a utility bill, or any other relevant documentation. Step 2. Log into your Discord account. Open the Discord app or website and log into your account using your username and password. Ensure that you are using the account that requires document submission. Step 3. Navigate to the support page. Once logged in, go to the Discord support page. You can find this by clicking on the question mark icon or by searching for Discord support in your browser. Step 4. Submit a request. On the support page, look for the option to submit a request. Fill out the form with the necessary details, including your account information and the reason for your submission. Step 5. Attach your documents. In the request form, you will find an option to attach files. Upload the prepared documents by clicking on the attachment button and selecting the files from your device. Ensure that the files are clear and legible. After completing these steps, you should receive a confirmation that your documents have been submitted. Keep an eye on your email for any updates from Discord regarding your account approval.